Hey guys, a very good evening to all and welcome to our channel. So there is a very good news for the Maharashtra domicile students that their government MBBS seats have seen a boost up of 200 seats more because NMC have given nod to two government medical colleges, new medical colleges at Maharashtra. So there is an increment of 200 government seats. So yeah, two more new medical colleges are awaited to get selection by NMC. So let's see what happens. But two medical college already got NMC's not, and even private colleges are going to increase their seat this year. I will attach the Times of India news article at my Telegram channel, so you can just go and check that out in case you want to find out about private medical college seats. So Maharashtra will now have overall 4,530 seats, government MBBS seats this for this academic session, and I mean till now it is going to have 4,530 seats. Let's see whether new medical college will come up or not. So this is a good news for all India quota students also, because of course all India quota में भी जो है seats बढ़ जाएंगी. So let's hope for the best. All the best for your MCC counseling, and stay tuned with the channel for NEET and ICAR related updates, and do subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Thank you.